magpapadala ako ng balikbayan box sa aking mga mahal sa buhay sa Pilipinas. So that today's September, I hope it will be arrived around December. Hopefully before Christmas sana. Kasi one time yung nagpapadala ako, dumating siya tapos ng Pasko. So it's okay kasi ano na naman yan for advance Christmas. Belated Christmas. Kasi nahuli na ako. Tapos that's supposed to be papadala ko last month pa or 2 months ago kaya. But I've been busy. So umpisahan na natin ang ating pag-impake sa ating balikbayan box. Samahan niyo ako.
Alright, now it should be enough together to bring it pull apart, right?
We're sending a package to my beloved family. But first, we need to close on the bottom. Then, we need to put some plastic trash bag in the bottom. In the bottom.
Voodoo. You want to set both boxes up or just one?
So this is, we're gonna send home. This box is what the name? Carl Express. So I think I'm going to send only 1 boxes or 2. It depends if it will be fit together all my stuff. I put the plastic bag in the bottom before I put all that stuff. This is what we're gonna send. Buttermilk. Oh, it's ready made. Oat milk. Of course, perfume. Shell and cheese. Of course, also this one. Curtain rod. Yep, curtain rod. And some of my purses. This all going home. And including this because hand sanitizer. And salad bowl. So that all goes to my family in the Philippines. This all stuff. And there's a lot more. Supposed to be I will send this a couple months ago, but I've been busy. So just now I have time to pack all the things and send to my family. I think I'm gonna send 2 boxes because I think 1 boxes is not enough. Malapit na siyang ma-full. May konting space. My husband do this because he knows how to arrange. I'm just watching him. Still have on the floor. And we're going to send also this the peanut butter and including the hand sanitizer. I'm going to send maybe 2 boxes.
Okay, 2 boxes, and I'll hold stuff back and divide it between the 2 boxes.
So this is what we do if we're sending like a liquid stuff. We should cover very, very well, like this.
That's not very well. We got to put that in a bag yet.
We need to put in the Ziploc bag. It's full. Now put more. You still have a vacant, the space. Still have this space. That's the frame, the photo frame. Some of chocolate candies. Spaghetti. Oh my gosh. And I think I'm going to send also this cat. I'm going This is also the placemat. I'm going to send this home. Placemat and tablecloth. And also the cat. Going home.
Meow. Meow. Meow.
See, I'm just watching, guys. My husband do it because he knows how to properly arrange. If you can see, there's no space now. If me, there's a lot space if I'm the one to arrange.
Here's a little bit of space I'm going to leave because we've got another box going, so I don't really have to jam it super tight. I'm going to call this good for right now.
How about the toothbrush over there? I think we can put in this side. Or yeah, deodorant. Make it sure that...
That's what I'm saying, hon. That's why we can go do the next box to come back if we got to fill.
Okay,
we got a little bit of space. Because I don't know if we have enough to fill the other box. So that's what I'm trying to say. We could set this
So wait,
aside
we
now.
need to put the cover plastic
No, I'm
bag.
going to leave it undone until
Undone?
we do the other box.
Ah,
And then
okay.
if we got to put something out of this one or in the other one, we can do that.
Okay.
It's preliminarily full, but it's not completely done yet until we see what we got to. We may have to rearrange a little bit.
Okay. It's all in pack. After this, you're gonna cover the plastic bag for in case I put the Christmas decoration here.
I packed your body wash by mistake.
Yeah, my husband packed my body wash.
on the
That's supposed
table?
to be for me.
Oh, leave it on the table with the other stuff
But that's
to get
fine.
packed. So it all got packed. Ha ha. Nah, 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 nah.
So now it's closed. Gone. Go, so that's why I want to cover the plastic bag on the top. So that for in case, you know. Guys, tapos na naming naibalot ang aking balikbayan box. It's ready to sending in the Philippines. So, katatapos lang ito, naibalot. Kung nakita nyo, balot na balot talaga siya ng duct tape. Binalot ko talaga siya ng duct tape. For ano lang, for in case lang, di ba? Kasi hindi natin alam kung paano nila hawakan ito. Kung paano sila mag-care nitong mga boxes. At saka mabigat pa siya. So, hanggang dito na lang. Thank you so much everyone for tuning in. And don't forget to subscribe my channel kung bago ka pa lang. Please subscribe my channel and including the bell para ma-notify kayo sa susunod ko na video. So, thank you so much guys. Hopefully to see you soon and God bless you. Bye! Mwah!